Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log out your Facebook account from all of your devices at once. So first open your Facebook application, then on the top right corner click on this three bar icon and scroll down. Here you can find settings and privacy. Click on settings. In this page you can see Meta Account Center. Click on this. Now here you can find password and security. Click on here. Now you can find where you are logged in. Tap on this and click on your name. Now here you can see which devices I logged in. So just select devices to log out. Tap on here and then click select all. Now click on log out. Then your Facebook account will be logged out from all of your devices. So that's today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.